In this video, we will see the step-by-step process of how a SoC analyst mitigate an attack, and all these steps information have been obtained from many of the renowned sources. Yes, so let us start the video to see how a SoC analyst mitigate an attack step by step. Mitigating a cyber attack as a SoC analyst, that is Security Operations Center analyst, involves a systematic and strategic approach to identify, contain, eradicate, and recover from the incident. So here is a step-by-step guide on how a SoC analyst might handle an attack. The first step is detection and identification. The first step is to detect the attack. This can happen through various means like intrusion detection system IDS, intrusion prevention system IPS, security information and event management SIEM tools, or even user reported incidents. The SoC analyst needs to quickly assess the situation and confirm whether it is indeed an attack and understand its scope and impact. Second step is containment. Once the attack is confirmed, the next step is to contain it to prevent further spread and damage. The analyst might isolate the affected system from the network or block malicious IP addresses. This involves using firewalls, network access controls, and other security mechanisms to restrict the attacker's movement. Investigation and analysis. The analyst performs a detailed investigation to understand the attack vector and the type of attack and any vulnerabilities exploited. The next step is threat mitigation. This is an actual important time where the attack is mitigated. So based on the analysis, the SoC analyst works on identifying and implementing appropriate countermeasures to mitigate the threat. This could include patching vulnerabilities, changing access credentials, or modifying security configuration. Communication, also the very important step. During the mitigation process, it's crucial for the SoC analyst to maintain clear communication with relevant stakeholders such as IT teams, management, and affected users. Providing updates and progress reports helps ensure everyone is on the same page and can take necessary action. Eradication. The focus now shifts to eradicating the threat completely from the network. This might involve removing malware, closing backdoors, and eliminating any lingering traces of the attacker. Recovery. After the threat is eradicated, the analyst helps affected system recover to their normal state. Data restoration from backups and system integrity checks are part of the recovery process. Post-incident analysis and documentation is very important to understand so that the next time you'll be alert for such attacks. The SoC analyst conducts an post-mortem analysis to understand what went wrong and how to improve defenses. Lessons learned from the incident are documented to enhance incident response procedures and improve overall security posture. So these are continuous monitoring and improvement. The SoC team continues to monitor the network for any signs of resurgence or new attacks. They use the insights gained from the incident to strengthen the security measures and stay vigilant against future threats. Remember, each attack is unique and the specific steps may vary depending on the type and severity of incident. A well-trained SoC team, clear incident response plans, and robust security tools are very essential for effectively mitigating attacks. So these are detailed steps to mitigate an attack by SoC analyst. Hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.